Hey everybody, Will here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to service an oiled air filter. Chances are you chose an oiled air filter for your vehicle so your engine could get more air and perform better. But in order for that to remain the case, it's important that a dirty filter be cleaned and re-oiled at the right intervals to maintain that higher performance. Since most vehicles don't come from the factory with oiled air filters installed, you probably won't find information in your owner's manual on maintenance intervals. Check the package or instructions of your aftermarket filter for specifications, or take a look at the filter itself if your engine seems a little sluggish. And as always, if you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together and your old filter removed, here's what you'll do. Spray both sides of the filter with filter cleaner, either top and bottom or inside and outside. Allow the cleaner to soak into the filter, but don't let it dry. Once the cleaner has had the chance to soak in, rinse it out with cool, low-pressure water. Make sure to rinse all the cleaner completely out of the filter. Leftover cleaner often appears white, and if your filter has pleats, it could remain on those pleated edges. Once all the cleaner has been rinsed off, let the filter air dry completely. With your filter dry, you're ready to apply fresh filter oil. Filter oil can be purchased in a squeeze bottle or in aerosol form. Only apply oil to the side of the filter that the air will be flowing into. If your oil is in a squeeze bottle, apply a thin layer to the ridge of each pleat, or if your filter isn't pleated, just make sure it's a thin, even coat across the surface of the filter. If you're using oil in aerosol form, hold the nozzle about 3 inches from the filter and spray it evenly across the top of each pleat, or over the surface of the filter. To protect your vehicle's MAF sensor, it's important not to over-oil your filter. So if you see any areas of excessive oil or drips, use a clean shop towel or rag to dab the excess oil. Inspect the filter to make sure the oil is evenly distributed. Most filter oils will be colored so that you'll be able to see any runs or uneven spots. Touch up the filter as needed to make sure the coverage is as even as possible. Give the oil 15 to 20 minutes to soak in before reinstalling the filter. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to see all our new content. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. We'll see you again soon.